How are you? I hope you are following my classes regularly. Did you finish the worksheet what I had given in previous class? Before going to the topic, I just explain you that worksheet. In the worksheet, the first number name is 1563. For this number name, we have to write numeral. Let us see how to write numeral. How many thousands are here? Only 1000. And how many hundreds are there? Only 500. So, I am writing 500 plus. And 60 means, how can you write 60? Simply 60. 6 tens. 3 means 3 ones. Isn't it? Let us take 1000 as the product of 1 into 1000. 1 into 1000. And we can write 500 as 5 into 100. Plus, we can write 60 as 6 into 10. 6 tens 60. Plus 3 as 3 into 1. By multiplying with 1, there is no change in the digit. Then, I am taking 1000, 100, 10, 1 as places in words. So, 1000. I am taking short form 1000 plus 500, 5h plus 6 tens. So, 6t plus 3 ones. I am taking full form to avoid the confusion. So, how many thousands are here? Only 1. How many hundreds are here? 5. How many tens are here? 6. How many ones are here? 3. Let us write these digits in their corresponding places. First, we have to arrange these places in corresponding order. First, we have to take thousands place, next hundreds place, next tens place, next ones place. Now, how many thousands are here? Only 1. So, 1 is related to thousands place. We should write 1 in thousands place. 1. And how many hundreds are here? Only 500s. So, we should write 5 in hundreds place. Next, how many tens are here? 6 tens. So, 6 is related to tens place. So, we should write 6 in tens place. And how many ones are here? 3 ones. So, we should take 3 in the place of ones. So, this is the numeral for the given number name. And we can read this one as 1563. Is it clear? The next number name is 31,800. 31,800. Let us see how to write numeral. How many thousands are here? 31. So, we should write 31,000. Plus, how many hundreds are here? Only 8 hundreds. Is there any tens and ones? No. So, just we have 31,800. Now, we have to split this number as 30,000 plus 1,000. Next, we have to write 800. Is it clear? Then, we can write this number as 3 into 10,000. 3 into 10,000. And 1000 as 1 into 1000. Plus 800. We can write 800 as 8 into 100. Now I am taking 10,000, 1,000, 100 as places and I am writing in words. 3 10,000s means TTH. I am using short form. Plus 1,000. TH for thousands. And 800s. 8H. Now, we have to write the places in the correct order. That is, first we have to take 10,000. What is the next place we have to write here? That is 1,000. Next, hundreds. Next, tens, ones. Tens, ones. Now we have to arrange the corresponding digits in their places. So, 3. 3 is related to 10,000s. 3 10,000s. So, 3 must be right at 10,000s place. And how many thousands are here? 1. So, 1 must be right at thousands place. And 8 hundreds. So, 8 is related to hundreds place. We should write 8 at hundreds place. Is there any tens or ones? No tens, no ones. That's why we should use 0 in the places of tens and ones. So, this is the numeral for the given number name. And we can read this number as 31,800. Is it clear? The next number name is 5,06,032. 5,06,032. Let us see how to write numeral. How many lakhs are here? Here lakh is the largest place. So how many lakhs are here? 5 lakhs. Right? 5 lakhs. Plus how many thousands are here? Only 6. 6,000. Plus we have 32. 32 means 30 plus 2. 30 plus 2. 32. Now we can write this 5 lakh as 5 into 1 lakh. 5 into 1 lakh. And 6,000 as 6 into 1,000. Plus 30 as 3 into 10. And 2 as 2 into 1. Isn't it? Then I am taking 1 lakh, 1,000, 10, 1 as places. And I am writing in words. By taking their short forms. Lakh. I am taking just L to represent lakh. Plus 6,000. I am taking TH to represent 1,000. 3 tens. Tens means T. Plus 2 ones. I am taking 2 ones. And lakhs, thousands, tens, ones. These are all places. So, first we should write all the places in the corresponding order. Lakhs. First we have to write lakhs. What is the next place we have to write in the order? That is 10,000. That is 10,000. Then only we have to take 1,000. Next we have to write hundreds. Next we have to write hundreds. Next we have to take tens and ones. Listen children. We have to follow this order while you arranging the digits. Okay? Then we have to write corresponding digits in their places. Now 5 is related to lakhs. So we have to write 5 in lakhs place. Next, how many thousands are here? Only 6,000. 6 is related to thousands place, not for 10,000. So you should write 6 at thousands place. And what about 10,000? There is no digit for 10,000. So simply write 0 in the place of 10,000. Next, Is there any hundreds? No. So, again you have to write 0 in the place of hundreds. And here we have tens. How many tens are here? 3 tens. So, write 3 in the place of tens. And 2 ones. 2. We should write at ones place. Now, this is the numeral for the given number name. And we can read this as 5,06,032. Okay children. Now, we are going to discuss about expanded form of numbers. Expanded form of number is the sum of the place values of its digits. Is it clear? I am repeating that. Expanded form of number is the sum of the place values of its digits. For better understanding, we have to take some examples. Let us see some examples. Now I am taking a 4-digit number. 4,296. Here we have 4 digits. So to represent these 4 digits, we need 4 places. Those are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. That means these 4 represents number of thousands in this number. 2 represents number of hundreds in this number. And 9 represents number of tens in this number. 6 represents number of ones in this number. Now, we have to write expanded form. What is an expanded form? Expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of its digits. Okay? Now, I am taking place values of these digits. What is the place value of 4? Already we know that. Place value means face value into its place. What is the face value? 4. Its place is thousands. Plus place value of 2. That is 2 into hundreds. 2 into hundreds. Because face value of 2 is 2 and place of 2 is hundreds. Next we have to take place value of 9. I am taking here place value of 9 means face value of 9 into its place 10 plus place value of 6. 6 into ones. It is in ones place. Okay children, this is one of the way to write expanded form. And by taking in numerals, we get another form. That is 4 into 1000. We can write as 1000. And 2 into 100. We can write as 100. Plus 9 into 10. 9 into 10. Plus 6 into 1. 6 into 1. This is another way to write expanded form. Finally, we get the results as 4 into 1000, 4000 plus 2 into 100, 200 plus 9 into 10, 90 plus 6 into 1, 6. So, these are all place values of these digits. 4000 is the place value of 4. 200 is the place value of 2. 90 is the place value of 9. 6 is the place value of 6. Here we have sum of the place values of these digits. So, this is called expanded form of the given number. Is it clear children? I am taking a 5-digit number. That is 530 6 8. 53,068. Here we have 5 digits. So we need 5 places to represent these digits. Those are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. That means this number consists of 5 number of 10,000s, 3 number of thousands, 0 hundreds, 6 number of tens, 8 number of ones. So totally here we have 53,000s. Understood, children? Now we have to take their place values. Let us write place values of this number. 53,068 is equal to, what is the place value of 5? This is 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10,000. I am taking short form of 10,000. Is it clear? Plus 3 into 1,000. 3 into 1,000. Plus 0 into 100. 0 into 100. Plus 6 into 10. 6 into 10. Plus 8 into ones. This is ones. Don't be confused. Wo. This is wo, not a 0. Now, we have to take in numerals. 5 into 10,000. I am writing 10,000. Next, 3 into 1,000 plus 0 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 8 into 1. 8 into 1. Is it clear, children? This is word form and this is numeral. We are using numerals here. Okay? Then the results are 5 into 10,000. This is 50,000 plus 3 into 1,000, 3,000 plus 0 into 100, 0 only. 6 into 10, 60. 8 into 1, 8. These are all place values of these digits. Place values of these digits. This is the form. Here we are taking sum of the place values of these digits. So this is called expanded form. Now I am taking a 6-digit number. That is 7,21,043. Here we have 6 digits. So we need 6 places to represent these digits. Those are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Is it clear, children? Now, in this number, we have 7 lakhs, 7 number of lakhs, and 21,000s, and 4 tens, 3 ones. Okay? Let us write expanded form. First write number. The place value of 7 is 7 into place of the digit lakhs. I am taking short form for lakhs. Plus 2 into 2 is in 10,000s place. So TTH plus 1. Place value of 1 is 1 into, it is in thousands place. So we should take TH to represent thousands place. Now write place value of 0. That is 0 into 0 is in hundreds place. So I am taking H plus place value of 4 means 4 into, it is in tens place. So I am taking T and 3 into O means ones. Now take their results. 7 into 1 lakh we can write as a numeral like 1 lakh. 7 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10,000. 2 into 10,000 plus 1 into 1000. 1 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 4 into 10. 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. 3 into 1. Is it clear, children? Let us take their results. 7 into 1 lakh means 7 lakh. 7 lakh plus 2 into 10,000. It gives us 20,000. And 1 into 1,000, 1,000. Plus 0 into 100, 0. Because by multiplying any number with 0, we get 0. 4 into 10, 40. Plus 3 into 1, 3. This is the expanded form of the given number. Because this is in the form of sum of the place values of these digits. So, this is the expanded form of the given number. Now, I am taking an example on 7-digit number. That is 497321 That means 49,73,218. So, to represent these digits, we need 7 places. Those are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Is it clear, children? This is 10,000. Okay. Now, this number represents 4 number of 10 lakhs, 9 lakhs, totally 49 lakhs, and 7 10,000s, 3 thousands, totally 73 thousands, and 2 hundreds, 1 10, 8 ones. Let us write the place values of these digits. First write number 49,73,218 is equal to, here we have 4 10 lakhs. So, to take place value, we should write the product of face value and its place. Its place is TL, means 10 lakh. And place value of 9 is 9 into lakhs. Plus place value of 7, that is 7 into 10,000. 7 into 10,000, TTH. Next, place value of 3. 3 is in thousands place. So, we should use TH. Next, place value of 2. That is 2 into 100. Because 2 is the face value and H is the place of its digit. Place of the digit. Next, place value of 1. 1 is in tens place. So, we should take 1 into T. Plus 8 is in ones place. So, we should write O. O means Wo. This is wo. Ones. Ones. Next, we should write this one as numerals. 4 into 10 lakhs. 4 into 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs contains 6 zeros. Plus 9 into 1 lakh. 1 lakh contains 5 zeros. Plus 7 into 10,000. 7 into 10,000 has 4 zeros. Look, observe here children, 4 zeros. Plus 3 into 1,000. Plus 2 into 100. Plus 1 into 10. 1 into 10. Plus 8 into 1. By observing this, we get 40 lakhs plus 9 lakh plus 70,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 8. Observe carefully. 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs is the place value of 4. 9 lakhs is the place value of 9. And 70,000 is the place value of 7. 3,000 is the place value of 3. 200 is the place value of 2. And 10 is the place value of 1. 8 is the place value of 8. So, here we have some of the place values of these digits. That's why this is called expanded form of this number. Understood children? I hope you understood this class. Depending upon this topic, I am going to give one worksheet. Let us see the worksheet. In this worksheet, you have only one question, that is, write the expanded form for the following numbers. In this question, I gave 3 numbers. For those numbers, you have to write expanded form. So, please do this worksheet and get ready for next class. Take care children.